नमस्कार। और अब हमारे साथ हैं श्री राजेश सोनी, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर एंड चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर, स्विस सिंगापुर ओवरसीज एंटरप्राइज। राजेश जी, नमस्कार।
नमस्कार अमित जी।
तो सबसे पहले यही पूछना चाहूंगा कि जब हम ग्लोबल कमोडिटीज ट्रेड की बात करते हैं तो उसे हम टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ कैसे इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं?
अमित जी, in my opinion, it will be imaginary if we feel that any business in the coming time or future can be run without technology. Whether it is a manufacturing, whether it is a service sector, I don't think any business can run without accepting digitalization, artificial intelligence, and decision-making process based on AOT. So it is not a choice. It is a necessity if you want to remain efficient player in the market. If you want to write your own decline, then only you can be away from technology.
तो राजेश जी, इस संदर्भ में फिर ट्रेड रीबूट द्वारा आयोजित इस ग्लोबल कमोडिटीज कॉन्फ्रेंस को आप कैसे देखते हैं, जहां पर लगभग 3000 लोग भाग ले रहे हैं?
I must say organizers are doing very fair contribution from their side. At least one thing I can say without any doubt or debate, that this conference has increased the awareness about the technology and its utility in the commodity trade. So this is one part. Second part is that when you listen from your all other experienced colleague, definitely it enforces the confidence in the technology and the need of the technology. So this is a good contribution. How much it will go success or people will accept in their day-to-day life is a continuous persuasion or the desire of the people to take advantage of it.
So can you give us some examples from day-to-day life in commodity trade where we can implement technology with ease and there are clear benefits?
See, immediately if you tell me, then it comes in the mind that how we take the decision about the buying and selling. It is based on certain informations which are available from print media or the other media like television, etc. But then there again you have to substantial part to involve human decision making. So that if your data collection and artificial intelligence is placed in the business, which start capturing not only historical data, but the behavioral part of your managers, behavior part of your commodity players, whether it's a supplier or buyer, your decision-making process is going to be sharpened and it will reduce human errors substantially. So the artificial intelligence definitely come as a big contributor, or you can say it may make sharper decision-making process in your business. Second is the movement of physical papers or documents, which itself now getting challenged. If you ask me the COVID has given us the great learning, the two learnings are most important part. One is that movement of anyone is not necessarily as good or as convenient as we think. Had this technology would have not been there, I don't think we could have moved the documents. We could have interacted like today we have interacted with the people. So definitely these are the advantage of technology, communicating fast, making virtual meeting like a live meeting. All are these advantage of the technology.
जी बिल्कुल, हर आपदा में भी अवसर होता है और कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक ने कहीं ना कहीं डिजिटल पुश दिया है और जैसा राजेश जी कह रहे हैं कि यदि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस या अन्य तकनीक का सहारा लिया जाता है तो आप बेहतर निर्णय ले पाएंगे, और जो डेटा है उसको एनालाइज करके कंज्यूमर का जो व्यवहार है कमोडिटीज की ओर, उसकी परख भी बेहतर होगी। राजेश जी, हमसे बात करने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत आभार। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you very much, Amit ji. So, thank you very much. So nice of you.